Are you looking for the bookshelves design ideas? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to welcome you on my channel. Here today I'm gonna show you in this video the built-in bookshelf ideas for a finely curated focal point. In addition to offering storage for your precious look book collection, shelves are the ultimate design feature to make a statement and bring your personal stamp to the space. While stacking a bookcase with books appears simple, styling it with the utmost attention to detail can be tricky for beginners. If you intend to create well curated shelves that will become a stylish focal point in your home, you are in the right place. Feel free to grab some built-in bookshelves inspiration from this video. An arched bookshelf brings that extra visual touch to your living room. For a wow effect, try painting the shelves in a striking color that stand out. Opt for a balanced mix of natural textures and natural neutral colors to bring an organic feel to your home. Complement the top wall with wooden shelves in a warm tone to create a calming mood. Add a comfort chair and a cozy throw blanket to turn this spot into a relaxing reading nook where you can enjoy your favorite book. Further, you could enhance your book corner with greenery for a natural touch and a dose of serenity. Here in this video, you are watching the beautiful bookshelf design ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button.